60 current Indian GK. General knowledge question and answer for all competitive exam. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Answer. Narendra Modi. Who is the President of India? Answer. Ramnath Kovind. Who is the Vice President of India? Answer. M. Venkaiah Naidu. Who is the Finance Minister of India? Answer. Nirmala Sitharaman. Who is the Foreign Minister of India? Answer. Subramanian Jaishankar. Which is the smallest even number? Answer. 2. Which is the biggest two-digit number? Answer. 99. Who is the Minister of Education? Answer. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Which Indian started the Prabuddha Bharat Journal? Answer. Swami Vivekanand. Who is the RBI Governor of India? Answer. Shaktikant Das. Who is the Attorney General of India? Answer. K.K. Venugopal. Who is known as the Father of Nation? Answer. Mahatma Gandhi. Which is the oldest dam in India? Answer. Kalanai Dam. Which is the highest dam in India? Answer. Theri Dam. Which is the longest dam in India? Answer. Hirakud Dam. Which is the smallest state in India? Answer. Goa. Which is the national tree of India? Answer. Banyan tree. Which is the national bird of India? Answer. Peacock. Who wrote the national anthem of India? Answer. Rabindranath Tagore. How many cricket World Cups has India won? Answer. 2 World Cups. Which is the national animal of India? Answer. Tiger. What is the capital of Uttarakhand? Answer. Dehradun. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Answer. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. When is the India's Independence Day celebrated? Answer. 15th August. What is Gir National Park in Gujarat famous for? Answer. Lion. Where is the Gateway of India located? Answer. Mumbai. Which is the highest waterfall in India? Answer. Kunchikal Falls. The national river of India? Answer. Ganga. Which is the national flower of India? Answer. Lotus. Which is the national fruit of India? Answer. Mango. Which is the highest peak of India? Answer. Kanchenjunga. Which is the longest river bridge of India? Answer. Dhola Sadia Bridge connecting Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. What is the folk dance of Andhra Pradesh called? Answer: Kuchipudi. The second highest peak in India. Answer: Mount Nanda Devi. What is the capital of Mizoram? Answer: Aizawl. Which is the largest state of India? Answer: Rajasthan. Which is also called the southernmost Himalayas? Answer: Sivaliks. New Delhi is the capital of? Answer: India. What does Park Street lie? Answer: India and Sri Lanka. What is the another name for Sahyadris? Answer: the Western Ghats. What is the name of the pass between Kailash and Manasarovar? Answer: Mana Pass. Which pass links Srinagar to Leh? Answer: Jojila Pass. What is the imaginary line that divides India into almost two parts known as? Answer: Tropic of Cancer. Where is the lake of Loktak situated? Answer: Manipur. Which is the highest peak in the Eastern Ghats? Answer: Mahendragiri. Which countries are separated by red cliff lines? Answer: India and Pakistan. Which countries are separated by Durand Line? Answer: Afghanistan and Pakistan. Where does the Narmada River originate from? Answer: Amarkantak. Where is the India's permanent research station Dakshin Gangotri located? Answer: Antarctica. Which cities are called the twin cities of India? Answer: Hyderabad and Secunderabad. Lord Buddha was born in? Answer: Lumbini, Nepal. Which state is called the sugar bowl of India? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Which reformer was associated with Prarthana Samaj? Answer: Atmaram Pandurang. A figure with three sides is known as? Answer: Triangle. A figure which has no sides and no corners are called? Answer: Circle or oval. The smallest two-digit number is? Answer: 10. When any number is multiplied by 0, the answer is always? Answer: 0. What comes before 1000? Answer: 999. 1 kilogram equal to how many grams? Answer: 1000 grams. A figure with 4 equal sides is called? Answer: square. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell button to get all the notifications.